Hi, it's Sandra, and I'm going to announce my March giveaway winner. So what I want to do is show you quickly on what I was giving away. And I have a Maniology plate M86, which is St. Patty's Day. I have another St. Patty's Day plate, which is M355. And I have a Lotus mat from Maniology. So those are the items I'm giving away. And let's see who our winner is. So the winner of my March giveaway gets all those three things is at Vinoto. So at Vinoto, congratulations. I hope that you like the product that you get. All you need to do is to email me at nailstampology@gmail.com and with your address, your mailing address, and I will pop these in the mail. So everybody, thanks for watching. Congratulations to Vinoto, and I hope you like this video.